how to create a poll on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can create a poll on WhatsApp. So let's get started. So first of all, you'll have to open the WhatsApp app from your device and move to the group or specific person whom you want to make a poll there. So for the demo, I'm clicking on this conversation. And from here, you will have to tap on this attachment option. So if you are using the WhatsApp on your iPhone, it will be a plus icon. So simply tap on it. So right now I'm on Android. So I'm tapping on this attachment option. So from here, you will have to choose the options poll. And here you have to give a question for the poll. So I'm giving a random question for here. So after giving a question for a poll, you will have to give the options also. So you will have to add the options from here. Okay, so the option can be Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube. So after this, you can also set up the settings for allow multiple answers. So now from here, you'll have to click on this next option. Okay, so the poll has been created on this conversation. So likewise, you can also create the poll on your WhatsApp conversation or a group. So hope this video was helpful to you, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and give a big thumbs up to this video for more short tech tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.